This is TestOut CompTIA Pro 4.3.4, and we are going to configure subnet mask. So you have a single Cisco router named Atlanta that connects to two subnets as shown in the network diagram. Determine which subnet mask will work for the 172.30.0.0 network by looking at the number of hosts required for each subnet. So in this lab, our task is to subnet the 172.30.0.0/24 network to provide sufficient host addresses for both subnets while minimizing wasted IP addresses. Alright, so the first thing, let's check the other tasks within this lab. So let's start up. We want to press EN and press enter. Then go ahead and press conf space T and INT space FA0/0. Then we're gonna IP space ADDR space 172.30.0.62 space 255.255.255 .192. We press enter. So no space short, you press enter. INT, nope, it's gonna be exit and press enter. Press INT space FA0/1, press enter. IP space ADDR space 172.30.0.254 space 255.255.192. So no space short, press enter, and we'll go ahead and exit and press enter. Copy space run space start. Let's call lab and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to join my professional membership, like and subscribe to the channel. You can also reach me through my email. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.